Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Vivo V21 5G phone. 5G phones are quite a rage these days. And let's begin unboxing. This is what the phone actually looks like. Vivo, the title sponsor, and etc. All the logos that are given here. Let's see what the phone looks like. So this is what the phone looks like, guys. This has got like multiple colors in here. You've got radiation, you've got rays of I can see red, pink, green also, and slightly blue as well. And then you've got a three camera mount right here. AI cameras, AI enabled cameras here, which will give you clear photographs. And of course, on the left hand side of the phone, besides being matted, you also get some glossy features. You also get some glossy parts right here. So your cutout selfie camera is in here. This is again an AI night special, especially for night shooting. These are also made specially for night shooting as well. So this is what the phone looks like. The user UI, this is pretty broad, as you can see. It's pretty broad and fits in my palm well, not too big also. So pretty easy to use, and of course lightweight, and of course this is pretty slim too. As you can see, the thinness rather, is quite impressive. And inside the box you also get a cover, a transparent cover for this. You get product's technical specifications, right? So battery is 4000 mAh, which is again great, and some other specifications. You also get a USB cable and a charging adapter. Along with that, you get earphones. These earphones also, let's see whether so I'm sure, because of course this is an aux cable, this is an aux input, you can't put it in here, so which is why they've given an adapter as well, a connecting cable as well. So if you need to connect this wire, you just put it in this and it gets connected. Problem solved. So this is of course important information and warranty card information about your device, how to set it up, basic safety instructions that you keep in mind, accessories, batteries, how to get this repaired, can the battery be used with some other device or not. You've got a USB pin here as well, and some of these specifications. So guys, let me know what you think of this video. This was an unboxing video. If you want a more detailed video, a detailed review of the Vivo V21 5G phone, stay tuned to the space.